Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine and doing well. Welcome you to an interesting DIY hairstyling video tutorial. And here we have just rolled our hair further with a lovely braid made, and then you're gonna make this in this manner. And what I'm going to do further, you need to join them in this way, and then you're gonna make this in this way. It's gonna look beautiful and amazing. For this way, you need to just roll your hair and then do it in this manner. And then you're gonna make this further in this way. And then just roll them together, twist it in this manner to make it look really beautiful and amazing. So you make this happen further in this way. And now what I'm going to do, you have to just get the hair pinned up in this manner. It is beautiful enough. And then you need to get the hair partition, secure them from the middle. Then what are you going to do? You have to just do it in this manner, get it beautifully packed up in this way. It looks even more beautiful and amazing. You secure it to the other end, and this is gonna look amazing. Further here, you have to just get the partitions and then join them together in this way to make it look even more beautiful. You need to just make the braids, just cross them in this manner, and then you're gonna make this happen. Then you roll the hair further in this way to make it look like this. You need to secure them beautifully, pin them up in this manner. Then you want to roll the hair, get lovely braids in this way to make it look beautiful and prettier. And here you need to just get the hair out to give it a messy look. This is pretty enough.